Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to show FPS on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course download the Ubisoft Connect application. Then you just need to go and log into your profile and register to Ubisoft if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and show FPS on Ubisoft Connect. But firstly, let's check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have your profile, home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus, download manager, and the top right corner where you can go and subscribe. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and show Ubisoft FPS show FPS on Ubisoft Connect. So click on your profile here and click on settings, basically, so on your top left corner. Then go to the general tab and check the box that says display FPS counter in game. So go general, and here, as you can see, then when you do that, click save. Now, when you launch a game, you should see the FPS counter displayed on your screen, usually in the top corner. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.